Western Australia. Across the country tomorrow, temperatures will sit mostly in the high teens to low 20s. Showers for Brisbane, Perth and possibly Sydney, but fine elsewhere. There's a fine day ahead in
នេះជាម្ដាយរបស់ខ្ញុំគាត់កំពុងតែចាក់ប្រអប់ tissue ផ្ញើទៅប្រឡងរបស់គាត់នៅឯ New Zealand ខ្ញុំថតវីដេអូហើយផ្ញើទៅស្រុកខ្មែរឲ្យគេមើល
Oh, good boy. Good boy. Good work. Yeah, try again. Catch the ball.
Turn him this way. I can't see. I can't take him like that.
Oh, yeah. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Here, try and catch the ball. Catch the ball. Catch the ball. Catch the ball. Oh, I can't catch. Here, the ball. The ball. The ball. Oh, you catch with your foot. Good boy. Good work. Good boy. Here again. Again. Oh, he missed. Here. Don't play with your foot. Catch the ball. Catch. Good boy. Good boy. Catch. You can catch the ball. Good boy. Yeah, very good boy. Yeah. What's your name? What is your name? What is your name? You can sit up. Sit up and look at the camera. Up.
That's it.
Good boy.
That's it.
Boy, good boy. Good boy.
That's it.
Catch the ball. Oh, miss. Here, again. Oh, not catch. Here, the ball. Okay, that's it. Catch it. Good boy. Try and look up. Boy. Good boy. Good work.
Who are you?
What are you doing with your finger?
I not do anything.
Your left finger. What are you doing? You move your left finger all the time.
I want to hold. I want to move.
Good boy, catch the ball that time. Oh, you only use your thumb. Good boy, yeah, good boy, yeah. Oh, catch with your foot that time. Oh, see, he hold the ball like that. Very good work.
Yeah. Good boy.
Good boy. Ooh,
Good
the ball
boy.
gone now. Oh, what can I do? I can't get now. How can I get the ball back, boy?